Welcome to the channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how to configure an iSCSI target server on Windows and connect it to your VMware ESXi hosts. This is today's lab setup. Let's get started. First, log into your Windows server where you want to configure the iSCSI target. My server IP address is 192.168.1.200. Go to Manage. Add roles and features. Click Next to continue. Choose role-based or feature-based installation, then click Next again. In the server selection screen, confirm your server is selected, then click Next. Now under Server Roles, expand File and Storage Services, then expand File and iSCSI Services. Tick all three and click Next, then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete before continuing. Once installed, open File and Storage Services and go to iSCSI tab on left panel. Click Tasks on the top right corner and choose New iSCSI Virtual Disk. I'll use the D partition. Give the virtual disk a name and description, then click Next. Specify the disk size. You can use dynamically expanding for flexibility. Click Next to continue. Now we'll assign this disk to New iSCSI Target. Select New iSCSI Target and click Next. Insert the name and description, then click Next. Next, click Add to define the initiator. This is your ESXi host. Choose Enter a value for the initiator, set the type to DNS name, then type the FQDN of your ESXi host. Click OK. You'll now see the target added. You can add more initiators here or later. I'll add my second ESXi host later. Authentication is optional. Skip or configure CHAP as needed. Click Next, then Finish to complete. Let's add the second ESXi host. Right-click the iSCSI target. Choose Properties and go to Initiators. Click Add, select DNS name, and enter the FQDN of the second ESXi host. Now you should see two initiators connected. Click Apply, then OK. Now move to your vCenter or directly log into your ESXi host. Go to Storage, Adapters, and click Add Software Adapter. Select Add iSCSI Adapter, then click OK. Select Added Adapter. Go to Dynamic Discovery and click Add. Enter the IP address of the iSCSI Windows server we already deployed. For me, that's 192.168.1.200. Use the default port 3260 and click OK. Now go to Static Discovery and you'll see the iSCSI target was detected automatically. Now let's rescan the host so ESXi detects the new LUN. Go to Datastores, click on Actions, then click on Rescan Storage. Click OK to start the rescan. Once the rescan is complete, go to Datastores, click Actions, then New Data Store. Select VMFS as the type and click Next. You should now see the new iSCSI disk. Mine is 90 gigabytes. Select it, give it a data store name, then click Next. Choose the VMFS version. I'll go with VMFS 6. On the partitioning screen, allocate the full size, click Next, then Finish. Congratulations! The new iSCSI LAN has now been added to your ESXi host. Continue the same steps for the other ESXi host. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tech tutorial.